Welcome to Setup Mastery, your go-to channel for all things tech. Here, we explore the latest gadgets, unbox cutting-edge devices, and provide step-by-step installation guides to help you optimize your setup. Subscribe now and join our journey to master the art of perfect setups. In today's video, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process of setting up your Furbo dog camera. This will help you monitor your pets remotely, giving you peace of mind and allowing you to interact with them while you're away. Let's dive in. Start by unboxing your Furbo dog camera. Inside, you'll find the camera unit, a USB power adapter, and the power cord. Double-check that all items are included and in good condition before moving forward with the setup process to avoid any issues. Next, insert the power cord into the back of your Furbo camera and connect it to the USB power adapter. Plug the adapter into an electrical outlet. The status light on the camera should turn yellow, signaling it's powered on and ready for setup. Next, take your smartphone and head over to the App Store for iPhone users or Google Play Store for Android users. Search for the Furbo app, download it, and install it on your device to begin the camera setup process. After the app is downloaded, open it and follow the prompts. If you're new to Furbo, you'll need to create a new account by entering your details. If you already have an account, simply log in to proceed with the setup. Once logged into the app, you'll be prompted to set up your Furbo. The app will guide you through the process of connecting your Furbo camera to your home Wi-Fi network. Make sure you select a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network for optimal performance. Enter your Wi-Fi password and wait for the connection to complete. Once connected, the status light will turn green. Now that your Furbo is connected, find a good spot to place the camera. Ideally, it should be at your dog's eye level and positioned so it can capture your dog's favorite spot in the room. Make sure the camera has a stable Wi-Fi connection in its new location. Once your Furbo is in place, explore the app to set up its features. You can enable push notifications for barking alerts, toss treats remotely, and even talk to your dog through the camera. Don't forget to fill the treat compartment with your dog's favorite treats. Finally, test the camera by using the live view feature in the app. You can watch your dog in real time, toss a treat to see their reaction, and even speak to them through the two-way audio. Make sure everything is working smoothly before you leave your dog home alone. If you run into any problems or require assistance, our team of experts is ready to help. Don't hesitate to reach out to them at 323-471-3045 for support and guidance. If you have any questions, please comment below. And that's it. You've successfully set up your Furbo dog camera. Now, you can monitor your dog and interact with them even when you're not at home. If this video helped, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more helpful tech guides. See you in the next video.